Can you believe this bug cost my company $1.5 million? You have 30 seconds to find the bug before I reveal the fix. Ready? Did you find it? Either way, congrats for challenging yourself. Code review are the best way to level up and keep sharp. Now let's look at why this snippet is failing. The code is doing integer division here, which basically deletes anything after the decimal point. Just imagine how pissed customers are when the website says 65% off, but they end up getting charged full price. Now, to keep the decimal value, make sure the division happens using floating point number. Just changing one of the operand is enough. Stay sharp.